This is now coming across from the Panjshir Valley, where what is being said, a convoy of the Northern Alliance led by Ahmad Massoud is now seen parading its flag. This is the Northern Alliance military resistance that is now reformed to fight against the Talibani terrorists. Thousands of former Afghanistan army troops is also have said to join the alliance. The Afghani troops that time around who were not able to fight Taliban when Taliban one after the other was taking over several major provincial capitals in all of Afghanistan. Several pictures that are now emerging as we are putting across those details. Now, what is being said following the onslaught of the Taliban across Afghanistan? This is our alliance which is being called as Panjshir Resistance. A former Northern Alliance members and other anti-Taliban Mujahideen is now being worked out under the leadership of Ahmad Massoud. Sinha sir, what do you have to say on this?
I think it's a very good development, and I am of the view that Amarullah Saleh, he is a solid man. He is who opposes Pakistan. He has been opposing Americans on that the way the Pakistani was playing the game from behind. He has brought out. He has written a book. He has given his report, and he was the NDS chief for a long period, which is there even in the public domain. He has brought it out the way the Americans are going. The Taliban will be back, and the same Taliban which the Pakistan wants to put it in the power. Now, you see what is happening. He has been trained and fighting under the commander Ahmad Shah Massoud, who is a famous commander who's lion of Panjshir. Panjshir, the history goes, it has never fallen, never. It is that part of with the area in the northern area where the Northern Alliances has been functioning. It has always been independent. So even the Marshal Dostum, who has crossed over in Tajikistan, I'm getting a report that he has also joined the hand. He is also a great leader. He was in Turkey, but somehow he got compromised a little bit. But now he is there, and he is also coming. Mind you, which I was trying to bring it up, and you have brought it out in your when you said, see, some of those commandos of Afghan army also wants to join. What happened, if you remember, few days back, the Afghan chief, army chief, who was supposed to visit India, he was removed by Ashraf Ghani. They wanted to fight, but they were told not to fight. All the weapons, the heavy equipment, maintenance, because the American contractors was, maintaining them. They played the game along with the Pakistan, and the report, what they gave, okay, you come back after 6 months. And that's why the Americans' report were coming, that probably in the 6 months, this government is going to fall and the Taliban will come back. This is the report. And why it happened in 5 days' time? Because of China. Second thing, Russia, Iran, they all wanted to actually humiliate United States of America. Because Russia, it was Americans who, brought down the USSR, and, today the Russia is. So they are right in their way of humiliating, and exposing America. And that's why it has fallen. The Afghan army was told not to fight, not to give a resistance. They are just for engagement is for 5 years. In 4 years' time, they were told no pension, no money, nothing given. There were no logistic, food not given. They were fighting at their own. So the morale was very low. No army can fight this way. So blaming even the army today as a whole that they have given up, and the Taliban, 50,000 these Talibanis on motorcycle, the guard in Delhi who is guarding the societies can fight better than these guys. So it is a myth who has been created that there is it is a graveyard of emperors. Not because of these Talibanis who was, from this madrasa, Deobandi madrasa. They are the looters. They are the people who rape. They do everything. You have seen the visuals, the way they were, having, last laugh. They were jumping. They are jahils. Even if the Pakistan has created this, it is a myth which has been created. And this brother who has been now with It is actually the stooge of Pakistan, and with the help of United States of America, he is going to be put. So this is the story in a nutshell. But the things are now unfolding, and you will see a lot of things, ground situation is going to change.